Look at that ball.
No.
Minute 7. No, dude, we should seriously, like, go look at all the different places.
You weren't recording the other one.
I know, I just thought of it as soon as we left. I just looked at that little spot. We will be back in a few minutes. Wow, this is real deep. It's all the way halfway down the street. Kyron felt like going through it today. And his bike tire is halfway underwater right now. As far as we can see. You gotta come back! Well, hurry up. As far as we can see, he is halfway underwater. His bike tire's halfway through the water. His feet are touching the water as he rides his bike. And the sewer is clogged up. This is Minonk for ya. This is episode 2 of our little detour, showing you all the little waterways of Minonk after Hurricane Ike. And now there is a car. This is just a contribution for our little show. Very, very interesting. Watch that water fly. Have fun, dude.
Fine, yeah.
Okay, and that is episode 2 of... This is just dandy. Isn't it? You gotta talk a little louder, Dubin. We are riding alongside Kyron, who is in the water. Here is the weather report.
Well, it seems to be cloudy.
Yeah.
I bet there's going to be more rain.
And all this water is from Hurricane Ike.
I mean, Hurricane Ike, Hurricane Ike.
That's good, because, you know, hopefully this is the end of the...
I gotta pee.
Hopefully this is the end of the hurricane season, but you never know.
I doubt it.
Well, that just sucks then, doesn't it? Oh boy, look at their yard. They must really not be happy right now. This is by the nursing home where my grandma works. You are going in the middle. This is the bear in the water.
Got my foot. Oh. Okay. I'm making my way up. Cold, but I'm out. You want to know the weather now?
I think it's the same, stupid.
Oh.
It's only about...
Let's go find another place.
Okay. We will see you next time on Weather Report. Going into our deep water assessment. He's gonna have some fun in the water. And we are at water's edge where I cannot go any farther. He's getting farther and farther from us. We'll see you in the ocean, I guess. He decided to come back because this is apparently too deep. There's people in the background walking through the water. How stupid are they? Too bad nobody's got a canoe we can use. He's having fun playing in the mushiness of the water. there's a little tiny island we stopped at. This is where water's edge is. It is very, very deep. How deep would you say it is?
20 feet.
Come on, be realistic here.
1 foot.
That's probably right. Next time on Minonk, city of Minonk, that is very, very flooded. We will show you some more floodedness of the town.
I guess.
And we are having trouble finding ways around because we don't have very good vehicles to ride. We only have bikes. Okay, see you next. These retards are trying to go through the water and not working very well. Wonder what happened. Oh my God.
Show them where we were earlier.
We were right down there at the other end of the block. What? Oh, I know, you don't have to. I don't blame you. Oh my God, that kid is, oh.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Go in my house.
Okay. It was drizzling a minute ago. I'd say this water...
What happened to the weather report? Well, the weather report is sprinkling right now. Feels a little bit cloudy. Oh, look at that. It's darker over there.
And the streets are barricaded right here. We had to get through the cops to get here.
Yeah, the cop's right there.
That's the cop car. If you can't see that, there's two.
Pretty sweet.
I'd say the water is 4 to 5 feet deep right here.
Yeah, because
Those kids are stupid. As you can, well, if you can't see, I'm getting water on my screen. It's very hard to see now. Stop sign, all this crap. This is the sidewalk as it goes down into the water. Those stupid kids are down there again.
if we only had a canoe.
And there's stupid kids down there. It looks like Kayla and Trey. I think it is. Or Lucas.